The topic now we are going to see is cost management, which involves in the production management. Controlling production cost is essential for maintaining profitability. This includes optimizing resource utilization, reducing waste, and identifying opportunities for cost savings without compromising quality or efficiency. Cost management is a process of planning, controlling, and optimizing cost to achieve organizational objectives while maximizing value. It involves identifying, estimating, budgeting, and controlling costs associated with various business activities, projects, or operations. Now we can see how it is implemented in production management. Cost planning and estimation. Cost management begins with the planning and estimating the cost associated with upcoming projects, products, or operations. This involves identifying cost components such as labor, materials, equipments, overheads, and other expenses, and estimating their quantities and prices based on historical data, market trends, and expert judgment. Budgeting. Once costs are estimated, organizations develop the budget to allocate resources and funds effectively. Budgets set spending limits for different cost categories and provide a framework for monitoring and controlling costs throughout the project or operational cycle. Budgets may be developed for specific projects, departments, or the entire organization. Cost control. Cost control involves monitoring actual cost against budgeted costs and taking corrective actions to manage variances and deviations. This may include implementing cost reduction measures, renegotiating contracts, optimizing resource utilization, and eliminating unnecessary expenses to ensure that costs remain within budgetary constraints. Activity-based costing. Activity-based costing is a costing method that assigns cost to product, services, or activities based on their consumption of resources. ABC helps in identifying the true cost drivers and allocating cost more accurately, enabling organizations to make informed decisions about pricing, product mix, and resource allocations. Cost reduction and efficiency improvements. Cost management includes implementing strategies to reduce cost and improve efficiency without compromising quality or performance. This may involve process improvements, automation, outsources, non-core activities, standardizing processes, and implementing lean principles to eliminate waste and streamline operations. Supplier vendor management. Cost management extends to manage relationship with the suppliers and vendors to optimize procurement cost. This may involve negotiating favorable terms, consolidating purchases, and selecting suppliers based on factors such as price, quality, reliability, and delivery time to minimize cost and ensure value for money. Life cycle cost analysis. Cost management considers the total cost of ownership over the life cycle of assets, projects, or products. This include not only acquisition cost but also operating cost, maintenance cost, and disposable cost. Life cycle cost analysis helps in evaluating long-term cost implications and making informed decisions about investments and resource allocation. Cost performance measurement. Cost management involves measuring and analyzing cost performance to assess the effectiveness of cost management efforts. Key performance indicators such as cost variance, cost performance index, and earned value analysis are used to evaluate cost performance, identify trends, and make adjustment as needed to achieve cost management objectives. Risk management. Cost management includes managing risk. This may impact project cost or cost management objectives. This involves identifying potential risk, assessing their likelihood and impact on cost, and implementing risk mitigation strategies to minimize their adverse effects on cost outcomes. By effectively managing cost, organizations can improve profitability, enhance competitiveness, and achieve sustainable growth. Cost management is an essential aspect of financial management and strategic planning, enabling organizations to allocate resources efficiently and achieve their business objectives in a dynamic and competitive business environment. This production management is closely linked to supply chain management as it involves coordinating activities with the suppliers, distributors, and other stakeholders to ensure a smooth flow of materials and components throughout the production process. Supply chain management involves the coordination and integration of processes, activities, and resources across their entire supply chain, from raw material sourcing to the delivery of finished goods to end customers. SCM encompasses various functions including procurement, production, logistics, inventory management, and distribution with the goal of optimizing efficiency.